Okay, let's say you come in here and you're missing a tooth and you want you don't need me to pull your teeth or anything like that. So I need to, of course, do an exam, take the x-rays, and then do some measurements to see, what the size and the length of the implant should be. And these are titanium, so they last pretty long. And then we check to see the color. What color teeth you want. So we have to choose those. We do a little bit of preliminary before we just go ahead and do it. But putting the implant is very simple, and it can be done the same day. But we have to do the exam first. We have to take the x-rays, and then I can make a temporary crown for you at this time. We would need to take impressions. We'll send it to the lab, and then depending on the color, the size, the fit, if everything's all good, that gets placed in about a week or two.